Hey there, hope you're doing great. So, do you have an iPhone that you need to unlock? Maybe you want to change carriers, change your plan, because maybe you're overpaying for your current plan, or maybe you want to travel overseas and unlock your phone to be able to use it with other carriers overseas. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock any iPhone from any carrier with just one unlock chip. Okay, so really quickly here we have a couple iPhones. We have an iPhone XR, we have an iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, and an iPhone 5C. So each of them are from different carriers. This one is AT&T, this one is T-Mobile, Sprint, AT&T, and AT&T once again. With this unlock chip, you can unlock any carrier, any iPhone, any iOS. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to do it. Let's get into it. Alright, so here we have all of the phones. Here we have the iPhone XR, 8 Plus, 7, 6s, and a 5C. They're all from different carriers, like I mentioned. And right now what we're going to do first is we're going to install a SIM card from a different carrier on each one so that you can see what happens. And this is probably what's happening to you if your iPhone is locked. So let's go ahead and insert the SIM cards for each one. Okay, so as you can see, all of them go into an activation required screen right away. The 5C took a little bit longer, but it needs to be activated as well, as you can see. And it says SIM not supported already. So here, what you're going to do is, we're going to just hit continue. And they're all going to give us the same SIM not supported message. So now, I'm going to show you how we're going to unlock it. If you have an iPhone 8 Plus, 8 Plus, or before, we're going to be using this unlock chip. With this one, we can lock all of them very quickly. You're going to see how fast it's going to be done. And if you have an iPhone XS, XR, or XS Max, we're going to be using this white unlock chip. Okay, so either one of these is the one you're going to need, depending on the phone you have. So let's go ahead and show you how we're going to do it. We're going to start with the iPhone XR first. Okay, so we're going to remove the SIM card that we put in here that is not working. We're going to put it up here, and we're going to put in the unlock chip. So it goes right here, and let's place it in, and you're going to see how fast it's going to unlock it. And then we're going to go right ahead and place the T-Mobile SIM card back in. And as you can see, there you go, the phone is unlocked. So now we can go ahead and remove that unlock chip, put it right here, and place the T-Mobile chip right back in. And as you can see, it picked up signal and it's reading T-Mobile now. So let's go ahead and put this one to the side. Now, like I said, if you have an 8 Plus or before, with just this unlock chip, we can unlock all of them. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do that now. So as you can see, this phone is locked. So as you can see, this phone is locked. It is at the SIM not supported screen. So we're going to take out the SIM really quickly. We're going to place the unlock chip. With the same SIM card that was in there. Hit continue. And as you can see, it unlocked it as well. And I'm going to do the rest for the remaining 3 with the same unlock chip. So we're going to put the SIM card down, remove the unlock chip, and we're going to place the AT&T SIM card back in now without the unlock chip. So let's do this one again. As you can see, SIM not supported. Let's put it right here, put the unlock chip in there. Put the SIM card right back above it. Place it in. Hit continue. There we go, picked up T-Mobile signal. It's gonna activate right now. There you go. So now we can go ahead and remove the unlock chip once again, place it to the next one, and place the T-Mobile SIM card back in without the unlock chip. leave it there. And let's go ahead and do the next one. So let's check it again. It says SIM not supported. Remove the SIM card. Place the unlocked SIM in right now with the SIM card that was not supported. And go ahead and activate, hit continue. And there you go, it read T-Mobile signal and activated with T-Mobile. Let's remove the unlock chip and place the SIM card back in. And let's go ahead and do the 5C. And let's go ahead and place it in now with the unlock chip. And the 5C, since it has an older software, it might not even take us to the activation screen. It'll probably just unlock it straight from the phone screen. It says searching up here. And there you go. It looks like it activated, although it is not picking up signal because the SIM card is not activated, but it is a T-Mobile SIM card. So we can go ahead and remove the unlock chip now. And place the T-Mobile SIM card back in without the unlock chip. Alright, so there you go. All of the phones are unlocked and we just use one chip to unlock all of them. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how we're going to unlock it. What we're going to be using is this special unlock chip. It's this white unlock chip. This is the one that you need if you want to unlock an iPhone XR or XS Max, because since the new iPhones have a new style SIM card tray, which the SIM card goes in invertedly, you know, these are the best unlock chips to use on the new XR and XS Max models. So I'm going to show you now how we're going to unlock it. We're going to place the unlock chip in here, in the SIM card tray. It looks like any other SIM card. Here, let me put it next to the T-Mobile SIM card. So this is the T-Mobile SIM card right here. This is the unlock chip. You know, it's the same thing. It's just a SIM card. But you got to make sure you get the right one. And like I said, we're going to have a link to it down below in the description. So we're going to place the unlock chip in the SIM card tray. We're going to place it in the iPhone XR. And then once again, it's going to take us here to the activation screen. We're going to follow the prompts once again. And once again, it is going to give us this message, but don't worry, now that we have the unlock chip in here, we're going to unlock it. So all you got to do, once you see this message now, is hit the power button, hold it until the emergency menu comes up, and then hit emergency call. Here in emergency call, we're going to dial star 5005 star 7672 star 00 pound. Once you have that dialed in correctly, hit the green dial button, and it's going to automatically take us to input the ICCID. We're going to have the correct ICCID down below in the description as well, and let's type that in. Alright, so once you have that typed in correctly, go ahead and hit send. It's going to give us this message here that it says done, and hit accept down here. Once you do that, just go ahead and power the phone off, hold the volume and the power button, and the turn off switch will appear. Swipe to turn off. So after a few seconds, once the phone is off, let's go ahead and power it back on. And another thing to keep in mind is that when you order the unlock chip, you will get the updated ICCID always, as well as email customer support. Alright, so it's going to take us to the activation screen here. Once you turn it on once again, we're going to hit continue, follow the prompts. But this time, since we have the unlock chip in there and the correct ICCID, it's going to unlock your iPhone XR. And there we go. It took us straight through the activation, and the phone is now unlocked. So now we're free to remove the unlock chip. So here's the unlock chip. Let's put that down. And let's go ahead and put in the T-Mobile SIM card, this time once again. And the good thing now is that you don't have to have any unlock chip in there anymore. You just put it in once, unlock it, and now you just place whichever SIM card you want to use into your SIM card tray. Give it a second or two for it to pick up signal. There you go. It's trying to read the SIM card. And as you can see, it says T-Mobile, and it's trying to pick up service. There you go. So the phone is now unlocked. All right, so if what you're gonna be unlocking is a iPhone 8, 8 Plus, or below, meaning a 7, 7 Plus, 6, 5, then the unlock chip that you're gonna be using is this one right here. You're gonna be using this black, very thin unlock chip, and we're gonna have a link down below in the description as well. So I'm gonna show you how to install this one to unlock the phone. So like I said, this one is from Sprint. So we're gonna place in the unlock chip right under the desired SIM card that you want to use, in this case T-Mobile. So we're gonna place them both in there like that, and just place it in the phone. And then automatically it's gonna take us to the activation screen. So you're gonna go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi, and you're gonna follow the prompts here. Hit continue. It's gonna try and activate with the SIM card, and it's gonna say SIM not supported. There you go. So once you see this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna hit the power button. You're gonna hit emergency call. Here you're gonna dial star 5005 star 7672 star 0 pound. Once you have that typed in there correctly, go ahead and hit the green dial button. It's gonna take us to this menu right here. You're gonna scroll down to edit ICCID towards the bottom. And then here's where we're gonna type in the current ICCID, which is also gonna be down below in the description as well. And it's 8901-4104-2792-0259-7449. And then once you have that typed in completely, the current ICCID, hit send. It's gonna say setup okay. And then here you're just gonna select accept. And then once you do that, go ahead and power the phone off. The power button, swipe to power off. So once the phone is off, just hit the power button and turn it back on. All right, so it's gonna give us this message once again, update complete. Just hit continue and let it activate. This time with the unlock chip in there and the correct ICCID, it's gonna unlock the phone. And there you go. As you can see, it already is reading T-Mobile up here with full reception. It might ask you to set up the phone and set up your fingerprint if you want to use it. I'm going to select don't use, no password, don't use password, wait, what? And then just go through the activation steps here. And there you go, your phone will be activated and unlocked. And the good thing now is you can go ahead and remove the unlock chip from there. Just take it out and put just the T-Mobile SIM in by itself. And it will work perfectly. There you go. All right, everyone, so there you go. That was just a quick method to unlock your iPhone. So any iPhone, any carrier, any iOS, you're gonna unlock it with just one chip. And this is really like the simplest way to unlock your iPhone. Keep in mind, some iPhones from some carriers, this is really the only way to unlock them. So hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. And that's it for now. I'll see everyone in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.